You audited your competencies. You reframed your resume. Your search is broader than it's ever been. And now you have too many options. A broader search is only an advantage if you know how to filter it. Without a filter, you're just applying to everything that looks interesting and hoping something lands. That's not a strategy. That's exhaustion with extra steps. Here's how to evaluate which roles are actually worth your time. Step 1. Set your criteria before you open a single job posting, not after, before. 4 things. Skills fit. Does this role require what you're actually good at, or does it require things you'd be learning from scratch? There's a difference between a role that stretches you and a role that starts you over. Growth potential. Where does this role go in 2 or 3 years? You're not just evaluating the job, you're evaluating the trajectory. Culture and environment. Remote or in-office, startup or enterprise, fast-moving or process-heavy. None of these is wrong. Misalignment is expensive. Compensation floor. Know your number before you start and apply it consistently. If the range is below your minimum, no amount of interesting work changes that math. Write these down. They become your filter. Every role gets evaluated against them before you spend a minute on an application. Step 2. Read job postings like a filter, not a sales pitch. Postings are written to attract candidates. That means they're optimized to sound appealing, not to give you an accurate picture of what the role actually involves. Look at the requirements list. Are the hard requirements things you already do well, or things you'd need to develop? A role that requires 5 things you've done and 1 you haven't is worth pursuing. 5 you haven't and 1 you have is not. Look at what the role reports to. The same title reporting to different executives is a completely different job. The context, the visibility, and the trajectory are not the same. Look at the language used to describe success. Manage relationships with senior stakeholders and execute against a defined playbook are both legitimate job descriptions. One rewards judgment, the other rewards compliance. Know which one you're applying to. And look at what's missing. Vague responsibilities, no team size, no reporting clarity. These are signals. A well-run organization knows what it needs. Confusion in the posting often reflects confusion in the role. Step 3. Stop applying indiscriminately. More applications does not mean better odds. It means more time spent on the wrong roles and less time spent on the right ones. For your resume, you don't need a unique version for every application. You need one strong version per role category. The program management version speaks to program management roles. The customer success version speaks to customer success roles. That work is done once, upfront, and applied consistently. For cover letters, if you use one, make it specific to the company and the role, not a template with the name swapped in. A short, direct explanation of why this role at this organization makes sense given what you bring. If you can't write that convincingly, that's a signal the role isn't the right fit. The output of all of this is simple. A one-page filter, your criteria, your red flags. Every role goes through it before you touch your resume. If it passes, apply with full effort. If it doesn't, move on without guilt. A broader search produces better results only when you use it selectively. That's the filter. And once you have it, your search stops feeling like a numbers game and starts feeling like a decision.